just doing an update on these orchids that I've been growing, and as you can see from the previous video how much this orchid has flowered, and it's still got the new shoots, well, new bulbs coming up on the side there. Now what's happened is there was a branch here which is snapped. I accidentally hit it onto the windowsill and it snapped it, and it was as big as this branch here with about 6 or 7 flowers on it. Unfortunately, it was an accident. Well, I'm going to repot this one here, which is grown enormous. As you can see the size of that, how long that's grown, the branch. So this one's starting to shoot out now. There is got a branch, because you've got one here that's gone right down to the bottom. It's gone into the soil, and I've got another one here. So I should repot this one and see how it goes. But look at this, it's really taking off. It's got to be at least 1.5 foot long. Right, let's repot them and give them a bit of a feed and see how they get on. Right, let's experiment with cutting some of these roots. That's about level. I haven't got a greenhouse, so I'll have to do it in here. Just a little bit more. Yep, that's about center. Right, let's straighten that out. Yeah. Just got to be careful because that was snapped. Right, okay, we got one there. Let's put one up here. That's it, one there. Just give that a bit of support. We'll have to find one for this one here. A clip. Clip, clip, clip. Okay, let's take this one out. That's it. Okay, let's clear up some of this. Right, what shall we give it? We gave it coffee, we gave it milk, we gave it aspirin. Right, let's go back to aspirin. Here we are, one dissolving aspirin. Break that. Fill that with water. Leave it in there for 5 minutes. And then a couple of tablespoons full of milk. Give it a bit of a calcium. All that bark chips will soak all that nourishment and then slowly feed the plant. Once you see the water rise between the plastic pot and the ceramic on the side, then that's it. That means it's full up, and leave it in there for about 15 minutes. Let the bark soak in so that it keeps it wet for a week and it keeps nourishing the roots. That's it basically. Now let's see what happens next week. Right, I'm going to leave it in there for about 15 minutes, go and have a cup of coffee, come back and drain it out and put it back to where it belongs, on the windowsill. Here we are. I find that this spot here is perfect for them because they get the sunlight as well as shade. As you know, the plants need sunlight for photosynthesizing to grow the plant. Well, that's it for today. I should do an update a couple of weeks time, see how they're getting on.